At the durian processing factory, raw durian fruits begin their journey. The fruit is opened and the pulp is carefully extracted. The pulp is then vacuum sealed to preserve its freshness, a premium option for quality and shelf life.
Delivery from the orchard confirmed. Starting visual inspection. No major defects. Recording batch details. Checklist complete. Fruits cleared for processing. Hold on, this one's damaged. See the crack? Yes, it's split. Check for mold inside. Definitely removing it now. Good. Keep the line moving. Fruits are clean, no residue or contaminants. Spikes intact, no damage, passing inspection. Checklist complete, ready for next stage.
First, we cut open the raw durian fruit. This exposes the pulp compartments. We inspect the pulp color for quality. This pale yellow color indicates it is premium grade.
All right, first portion, half a kilo. Adding more, 1 kilo now. Perfect, moving to storage.
These are ready. Start extracting.
Okay, getting the lobes now.
Careful, don't bruise the pulp.
I know. This batch looks good.
At the durian processing factory, raw durian fruits begin their journey. The fruit is opened and the pulp is carefully extracted. The pulp is then vacuum sealed to preserve its freshness, a premium option for quality and shelf life.
Applying batch code DO line 3001 to this tray.
Copy that.
Next is DO line 3302. Applying now.
Looks good. Stack it with the others.
Done. Ready for the next batch. Ready? Push it in. Got it. Pushing now.
Weight verification complete. Frozen pulp batch is 2.50 kilograms, within tolerance.
Ready for the next layer? Yeah, stack it tight. Watch the weight on that corner. Got it. One more row. These will keep for months. Temperature at 20.5, all stable. Scan confirms, pulp integrity maintained. Scanning frozen pulp barcode. Match confirmed, logging entry. Now scanning raw fruit input. Input log, inventory updated.
Raw durian fruit enters the factory for processing into frozen pulp. We open the fruit to extract the pulp for freezing. Next, we prepare accurate paperwork ensures smooth international trade. The durian fruits are fed into the processing line. Mechanical cutters slice open the spiky husks. The seeds are then separated from the pulp. Finally, the seeds are dried for secondary uses. Sanitization of cutting tools is a critical step in processing raw durian fruit. First, the tools are submerged and stirred in a disinfectant solution. Then, they are wiped dry and placed on a rack.
Let's review batch 23045 for the frozen pulp. Pulp temperature by minus 18 degrees Celsius. That's with break. Now let's inspect the raw fruit for this batch. Good afternoon. Inspector here for a safety check. Of course, we're husking durians here. I see you wearing your gloves and mask. Good. And the machine guards are in place. Excellent. Thank you. Roller alignment looks good, but let's check the sensors. This belt tension is a bit off. Okay, fruit flow is steady, all clear.
Fresh durians enter the intake line, beginning their automated journey. Next, automated peeling machines precisely remove the spiky rinds. The pulp is then packaged with care, ensuring quality and hygiene. The product enters rapid freezing tunnels, preserving its freshness.
Initiating sample extraction from raw durian fruit. Pulp is frozen solid, extracting now. Sample secured for analysis.
Sample extracted, initiating homogenizer. Cycle complete, sample ready for plating. Placing the frozen durian pulp into the label beaker for controlled thawing. Now transferring to the balance for the initial weight reading.
This is the thawed pulp from raw durian fruit. Pressing reveals its fibrous, moist, spreadable consistency. Note the fibrous strands as it stretches, indicating good quality.
All right, sample 65. Let's evaluate the aroma.
Strong aroma, very pungent.
Agreed. I'll check the texture.
How's the flavor?
Rich and creamy?
Starting the analysis of the frozen durian pulp sample. Scooping the pulp for the pH measurement now. Inserting the probe, the reading is 6.8. Recording the results in the lab notebook.
Verifying freezing logs for frozen pulp from raw durian fruit. Batch 089, set temp -18, actual -18.2. Verified. All records match, pulp is cleared for storage.
Packaging integrity test on cartons of frozen durian pulp. The probe tests the seal and pulp texture. Opening the carton reveals the frozen pulp.
Calibrating truck for frozen pulp, setting to -18. Verifying with thermometer, stable at -18, ready for transport. Is the shipment of frozen pulp from the raw durian fruit ready? Yes, supervisor. The last batch from the raw fruit is wrapped and ready. Excellent. Confirm it's from raw durian and get it dispatched. Understood.
Okay, final inspection. This is the last of the frozen pulp.
Right? I'll pull one down.
Let's check the texture and weight.
Good. I'll log it.
I'll grab the next one.